And I eat. Hi, baby. Where you walking to, though? Unicorn. And I eat. Hi, beauty. Where you walking to, girl? Y'all, she just walking. We don't know where she going to. This her birthday dinner. She's one. Her little unicorn. We out with the family at dinner at Outback, Hyattsville, Maryland, celebrating Anai's birthday. There goes Grandma Jackie. Michael, that's her daddy right there. There goes Joshua and Sahara, you guys. Jackson, take that damn thing off your head. There go Tyreek. There go Ted. There go baby's mama right there. Look at Drew, for I am Drew. So we get back to guys, we about to get seated. Hey y'all, look at her coloring. My baby's coloring. And she can't even barely reach the table. There she banned the drums.
She colored all of this.
She's short. Look at what she colored, y'all. Yay! Hey, Sahara. Say hi, y'all. Y'all, that's Sahara. Y'all remember why I used to babysit? Sit your butt down.
Sahara has a light skin problem. Turn around.
Sahara. Sahara Waller. Say hi. Say hi, Sahara. Look, Sahara ain't touch her coloring. Your Papa gonna get you. Get your feet back. Turn back around the right way. Papa gonna get you. I ain't Papa. Say Papa. Y'all, Brandon and them haven't got here yet. But that's the birthday girl right there. Papa. I give her like 3 seconds. She's gonna try to put it in her mouth.
She already did twice.
Oh, she already did twice.
I'm trying to see if okay, it says non-toxic, so you can eat it.
Oh no, you just gotta miss the crayon.
Yeah, it's non-toxic. I don't care.
What?
Oh, you can't play with that one no more. It fell.
Oh, she was yeah,
Are you serious? She just can't get her crayon, please. On the floor.
That's her mother right there. Say hi.
Hi, guys.
Michael, that's Papa.
Hey, what's up, people?
You supposed to say I'm your best friend. I just realized what you said. Do it over.
This is best friend, daughter-in-law, and baby grandma, baby mother, my grandmother, baby, or whatever.
We always baby mother. Oh, I think I dropped her jacket.
So, everybody not here yet, everybody. Everyone is not here. Y'all see my face swollen? It's coming down though. Everyone isn't here yet, but they're on their way. We like a party of 16 here in the Outback. Look at Joshua. That's Papa, that's Joshua. It's gonna be good. That's my drink, guys. It's kind of sweet, not enough alcohol, but I'm gonna do it with it. See the Outback famous bread, everybody eating, getting full off of. Where you going? I got her. She ain't getting past this. Let me stay right here. She ain't getting past this.
No, stop.
You're not getting past this. She wants to stand up? Let her stand up. She ain't getting past this.
You want to go in timeout?
I don't know what my son
We're not doing this here, okay?
That look good.
We're not about to do that.
Look at Jackson. Nobody food came yet.
Come
They
on.
still ordering drinks.
If you want to sit right here until you finish, so you can watch.
No, they down low and
She
swing
don't want to sit
now.
down, period. She sit down now. I don't know if she'll sit over there by herself. I don't trust her.
It's up to you. What do you real quick?
You download the swing?
Yeah.
You know the password?
I'm about to get her content.
You ready?
You ready?
Okay.
You ready?
Wait, don't let them see it.
Oh my goodness.
Hell no. They paid $240 for these cupcakes. For 24 cupcakes.
Yep. You want heavy sing now?
No. Stop that.
Hey,
You wanna go
Maggie.
time out? You're not doing it.
Look at your cupcakes, baby.
No. Someone else?
He'll say happy birthday. Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday in our Eve. Happy birthday to you. She's looking like what? Look at your cake.
You gonna blow it?
You gonna blow out your cupcake? Say yay! She look like whatever, mama.
All right, which one y'all want? Is cookies and cream and lemon? Cause I already know you want lemon.
Just hold it in when we get back. She don't need that right now.
I want cookies and cream.
Oh, it's good little island.
Fluffy ducks.
They like that.
Fluffy ducks. Yeah,